morning. This is Sneha from Pallavi International School, Gandipet, grade 12. And today I'm going to share a few bits about my experience in Pallavi International School, Gandipet branch. These 2 years have definitely been a beautiful journey and a really inspirational journey in my school life, and definitely I have learned so much through my teachers, and I've gotten inspired by my teachers so much. And the one thing I like to tell my juniors, or the one piece of advice I like to give you guys, is be confident and believe in yourself, because you will have ups and downs, you will have your low days, you will feel like you're good for nothing, but that's not true. You should just believe in yourself and move forward. Believe in your teachers, believe in your parents, believe in yourself, and everything will be good.
We are very happy, and it's nice to see if your child gets succeeds, and nice and very happy. And school atmosphere is also very good for academic as well as co-curricular activities. So it's a very good journey of her. Thanks.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Rishabh Dongisharapu, studying in grade 10 of Pallavi International School of Gandipet, Hyderabad. So in this year 2024 to 2025, grade 10, I've scored 98.2 percentage in board exams, CBSE board exams. I felt really happy, and I'm grateful for every teacher, my parents and friends, and the school management for achieving this. I had really sweet memories with the school. Like I've been consistent throughout my studies, and I've been in many shows like playing piano, and I've played football for my team. House Cup, I won the House Cup, Godavari House. So it has been really lovely journey with the school, 3 years of journey. And I would like to suggest one thing for the juniors. Uh, be consistent. Don't be like I'll only study at the last when it's main. Be consistent. Do your homeworks, projects, and don't leave it even if it's a half yearly exams. Be consistent. That's what I want to tell. Thank you.
Actually, I'm feeling very proud. I'm very happy. Actually, from when he was small, he achieved this. Every time he used to be the first in the class. This time, I'm feeling very happy. He is a school topper. Thank you for the teachers for supporting him and guiding him a lot. Thank you so much, Pallavi Schools.
Good morning. My name is Kirti. I just completed 10th grade in Pallavi International School, Gandipet. I got 97.6% and I'm really happy with my result. The school gave me a lot of opportunities throughout the year to go to different places and participate in a lot of competitions. And all the while, they also supported me. And without the teachers' help, I could not have gotten such a great result, while also just going to so many events throughout the year. So I would like to thank the faculty and my teachers and my family and friends as well.
Very happy, ma'am. Very proud of my daughter Kirti. And we thank the principal, ma'am, and the staff and teachers of Pallavi Gandipet because without their support, she would not be here at this stage. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
This is Gauri and I scored 97% in my 10th boards, and I am from Pallavi International School Gandipet branch. First of all, I want to thank all my teachers and my parents who helped me put my 100% efforts, and my parents played a very important role. I would like to thank to my mother and father both. My mother was a whole time counselor for me and my father used to encourage me to solve all the problems. If I faced any difficulty, used to help me, and all my teachers made my concepts as clear as a crystal, and I am very grateful for that. Thank you so much.
गौरी सेल्फ स्टडी के लिए बहुत मेहनत की है। बहुत सारा पेरेंट्स आज के समाज में, आज की दुनिया में पेरेंट्स ही बच्चे को बोलता है कि और पढ़ो, बट हमको तो गौरी को बोलते अभी रुक जाओ, इतना नाइट तक पढ़ ली। सो उसको बहुत हार्ड वर्क की है। इसके लिए मैं इसके ऊपर बहुत प्राउड फील कर रहा हूँ, और सब ठीक ठाक।
Good morning. My name is Tejita, and I'm studying currently in grade 10 from Pallavi International School, Gandipet. I've been here from my 5th grade, and I think it's been a wonderful journey. And recently, CBSE results have come, and I've got 95.4 percentage, and I think I'm really happy with that. And my school, my parents, and my friends have been really helpful, and I think a lot of credit goes to them. And one suggestion I think I would give to all my juniors is that consistency is the key. That's it.
हम बहुत खुश है अभी इतना 95.4% आया स्कूल का सपोर्ट बहुत है बहुत खुश है
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shanmukha Priya from grade 12th, Gandipet branch. I've scored 92.8 percentage in my 12th boards. And I'm very happy and I'm very grateful for the people around me who supported me and believed me. And there were moments when you know, I was feeling low confidence and feeling underconfident. But I'm very grateful for the people that are around me who supported me and encouraged me to push beyond my limits. And I would like to congratulate for each and everyone who scored great marks in 12th and 10th boards. Thank you.
happy faculty supporting happy
Bhagavi Reddy. I studied in Pallavi School, Gandipet, and I scored 93.6% in MPC in my 12th grade. I would like to thank the teachers of Pallavi School for supporting us and helping us clear our doubts. And we had a lot of fun in the campus. We played multiple sports, and the last 2 years were amazing here. Thank you.
We're very happy with the support we have received from Pallavi School, especially the principal, Ms. Hema. She's been very, very supportive and helped children get over exam stress. And I think that's why children were able to breeze through the exams and score well. Thank you.
Success will not stop here. I'm sure it will be multifold and it will pave a beautiful future to each one of you. Who attempted the board exam in grade 10 were 93 and in grade 12 we had 35 students this year. The overall pass percentage for grade 10 is 85.4% and for grade 12 it is 79.7%. The highest scores in grade 10 we have about 14 centums, that's 100 on 100 in AI, and 1 centum which is 100 on 100 in math in grade 10. I will tell you a small anecdote and an experience. We've been waiting. This 100 on 100 for math has been eluding us for last 4 years, and finally we achieved it. And we had kind of a small promise amongst us teachers that if we get 100 on 100, we will forget about the SDG goals and pollution, but we are going to really burst the crackers today, which I will invite you in a short while.
Parents and students, I'm overwhelmed today and just want to say one thing that I named my grade 12 group as Dhamaka group and our motto was Abki baar 100 ke paar. But Sneha, Dhamaka kar diya tumne. A big round of applause for her, our school topper, and for all the attendees here out. You have really given us a dhamaka and keep doing these dhamakas more. And very proud, and I would like to thank our principal ma'am for sure, because she was always like that, do whatever you want to do, but help the children, take care of them, and believe me, she knows each one of you, your background, from where you are coming, your parents, what you are doing in social media, in whatever ways, she knows you all. And whenever we had discussions, she would just tell us, you just give them support, they will do it. Be it the children who really required support at some point of time, and Sneha would really agree with me that we have taken care of her and that this is just mutual. She had faith in us and we had faith in her that she can do it. That is more important than anything else. So believe in yourself, and when you go out of this gate today, okay, this is just the beginning. Marks actually, it matters definitely in your report cards and your college admission, but the values which you are taking from here, that is very important, and this will go for lifelong. Wish you all the best and be proud alumni of this school when you come back, and give lot of your whatever your experiences are, share it with your juniors and make your school proud, make your parents proud, make your country proud. Jai Hind.
So good morning everyone. I am Dr. J.C. Bose. So this is my first experience in working a school. Earlier I worked with university. The moment I have joined here, the first day principal ma'am asked me, sir, science department is actually lagging behind, so you need to focus on this department. So right now the science department is achieved remarkable success with the 79% average score. I'm very much so happy to see this kind of result, and I would like to keep my promise. In next batch also we will be touching 80%.
It is a happy moment for everyone. And in AI, around 14 sentences. Really, this is my visualization. I visualized the number of sentences, I visualized the percentage of 95%, and we could achieve that. It is a great moment, and then we all are happy about it. Thank you for the support from the parents, and thank you from the management. And always, school provides the different training to the session and the mentoring session for the teachers and for the students. Really, it is a great opportunity for everyone to enjoy this. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Actually, as a class teacher and the coordinator of the grade 12, I'm very proud of my students now. They made me in the peaks actually. This is a result. With a small group, we achieved this result. So this is the students performed well. They struggled a lot to pull these percentages. I know how much struggle they've taken. Sometimes in the examination fear and everything. Every time Sneha is saying that after writing the exam, Gaya ma'am. But every time she is going to get a good marks only. Like this, they've taken the pressures because grade 12 is not a small matter. Grade 10 is the basic education if you can think, but grade 12 is the competitive education. They are going to face a lot of world in the next life. So for that, they've taken a lot of struggle for this. I'm very proud that my students rocked well. And and I want to thank you to my parents. So these all given the support a lot. Every time, whenever we are calling, we are asking something, they are ready to do support to the students. Thank you very much. And coming to my principal ma'am is always in the back of grade 12 students because ma'am want to see that this is the first batch. We need to rock well. Always having to keep an eye on them. So ma'am is always giving the best tips to them to score the good ones. The marks is not a matter, but marks is a matter of the report cards and getting the admissions in the next. And I think they learn so many good values from the school. You people need to continue with these values, what you learn in the Pallavi International School. Go ahead with the good values and go with your next life also. Okay, all the best for your life. Next, coming to the grade 10. This is I don't have any words to say because in the Pallavi school, it is our first 100 we got in the max. So I'm not having any words to say. This is Raini team. So I'm very proud to say that Raini is my class student. Thank you so much. I don't have any words to say.
It's really a pleasure to share with you all here, and it's been a first batch of grade 12. We're all been worried to how it's going to be. Like, of course, the past 4 years they have been going with the grade 10 board examinations, but the first time the grade 12 board examinations we have given. But it was just giving us how we are going to really do. But the hard work and the amount of effort from the students and also from the teachers and the guidance from the principal ma'am and vice principal ma'am. Ms. Meenu ma'am, of course, she's not here, but her guidance was been definitely, it's been paid off and it's been seen now what we are. And we have been, we look forward for the coming years also with the great more achievements like this. And I wish all the students to do well further. And thank you.
And Nishant was like, he used to tell that, ma'am, like, I am good in math. I will definitely give you good score in math. So he has done that and he has proved. And all of you are like Shreya Vaishnavi and Bhavna and Chanmukha Priya, all of you saying our wonderful results. And thank everyone.
I'm Sujata. I'm political science as well as social science teacher. So it's a proud and joyful moment for us. Our grade 12 and 10th grade students have shown very good result this year. So, all your hard work, effort, dedication, and discipline has finally paid off. So, a special thanks to our principal ma'am. Her planning, strategy, guidance, all these are given by her, and we all teachers executed it. And you people give your best, and this is the result here. So now this is the time to celebrate the success and take it as a motivation to aim even higher in the future. Thank you all.
Hi, ma'am. Morning. Namaste.
How to feel your students' success?
Today is a landmark achievement for Pallavi International School, Gandipet. I think we have achieved such stupendous results this year. The first year of grade 12, this is our first batch, and we have scored about, the topper has scored about 96% aggregate. And we have 100% result with all our children passing with above 60% as an average. So it is great result for me, and the fourth batch of grade 10 passing again with the top scorer being 98%. And all our children have passed with 100% result and again 60% and above. So this is something we really enjoy as a team, as Pallavi International School, Gandipet has put in a lot of effort, and the support of the parents has been huge, and also the children have really been aligned with what our vision is right from the beginning. Right, మేము ఎంత వాళ్ళని గైడ్ చేసి మెంటర్ చేసినా వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి ఆ రెసిప్రొకేషన్ రాకపోతే ఎప్పుడు రిజల్ట్ ఇస్ నాట్ అ సక్సెస్. ఐ థింక్ దట్ వాస్ ద బ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ ఇట్, వేర్ చిల్డ్రన్ ఆల్సో, పేరెంట్స్ ఆల్సో, right, got along with us. We partnered as one good team, and from the bottom of my heart I would like to thank the chairman Shri Komaraya sir, and our CEO Malka Yashasvi sir, and of course our joint secretary Mr. Zohair sir. I think without their support, without their guidance, and without all that encouragement and push which they give to us, this school wouldn't have achieved this kind of a success in the 7th year. Right? We are looking for more, and it's a promise to all the parents and the children that we continue to deliver good results and good progress, and we will all be partnering to make the child's learning journey very beautiful. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Hema Madabuchi, Principal of Pallavi International School, Gandipet, and it's my privilege to be announcing the board results this year for academic year 24-25. Grade 12 was our first batch, and they have scored really well with 100% pass percentage, and the topper scoring about 96%. Grade 10 results have also been really good, with all the children scoring above 60% and 100% pass, and the topper scoring about 98%. I would like to thank the management, Shri Malka Komaraya Garu, and our CEO, Malka Yashasvi Garu, and our joint secretary, Mr. Zohair, for this huge support which we get, and also the motivation and the constant guidance which we have. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank my teachers, my vice principal, my parents, and of course my students for giving us these results. We will continue to do and strive, work hard to give more better results in the future. Right now, I think it's a great celebration for us here on campus. Andaru pillalu, parents, andaru vacharu. I think that's the most important thing, where we have everybody as a community, partners who have believed in us to be celebrating this success. So thank you so much, and congratulations to all the children who have passed really well and scored very well in the board results.